Hello! We're going to Iloilo, guys. Sir, here na.
Iloilo.
Oh, hi. One more. 1, 2, 3. Ang kimbap set. Kami kasi yan. Fish cake. Rice cake. Sabi ka naman. Perfect. Okay, so we are here at the hotel. We'll be staying at Madison Hotel. So yeah, nanamong senior citizen. Nagiga na. So this is our room. Okay, so we've been preparing some little gifts for Jumong and Kaya. So yeah, because tomorrow we will do beach. We'll go to beach, and then this one, Kaya and Jumong's favorite dinosaur. Laban ng Sen. Is sleeping. Natulog. Jumong is eating. Look na sad siya. Wow. That is a dinosaur. We're excited kasi Jumong ni Philippines.
Oh, sige na ihap kanya ang daw. Do you play basketball? Jump. Jamong, do you?
Hi. Say hi.
Say hi.
Inaing na. Wapo ko.
Murag-wala naman
Ina, maayong buntag. Kusga. Maayong buntag. Good. Hi guys, we're here at Guimaras na. Hi with my sister and Jumong and Kaya and the mother. Ay, kagwapo kayo sa kong mga babies. Liwat saya. Auntie. We're here at Guimaras and we are here at Alubihod Cove. Okay, so you'll enjoy the summer and the heat here. So yeah. Okay, so this is the famous pizza, mango pizza here at Guimaras. Now the Pit Stop from Pit Stop restaurant. So here it's a pizza and a mango inside. So that's right. Hi.
Kaya oh.
Kang Jumong mana, kang Kaya na dito. Say hi to the camera. Hi. We will be making a sandcastle for Kaya and Jumong. The beach is really beautiful, really clear. So this is a beautiful nature created by the Lord. So yeah, let's go. Ay, lagi para sa pinit. Sige, ikaw no.
Yeah.
1. Sige.
Yeah, 1, 2,
Close eyes.
ready.
Yay! Again. 1, 2. The close mouth, Pip.
1, 2.
Tayo.
Come. Ayos, in. Ako lang kayo mag-drive. Drive mo na po siya mag-drive. Ako mo. Gabi? Kato yun, ato mo siya gawin. Paano? Yay! Jollibee! Wow! Grabe may acting kay boy! Jumong, delicious? Yes! Lipay kayong mga attitude.
Okay, smile. Jump kaya, 1, 2, ready.
Kaya! You want to go? Nay. Ang asin. Di ba ni kabog dula ni? Ikuan ni mong tiil. Kuan man na. No, sige. Ikaw si Jumong na po mag-arsa sa imo. Pagaan. Di ka balo si Jansen mo pa?
Pila ka minutes? 1, ready, go.
Go! Go. Ikaw te. Kuan na si Jansen. First hug. Ouch. Hug, ati. Hug sa. Hug sa. Hug. Kiss, ati. Kiss. Kiss. And then hug. Hug. Oh, good night.
See you
Good night, Kaya. Good night. Good night. Go, Kaya! Go! Go, Kaya! Go!
Forgotten romantic all my life. Met you in an autumn lovely day. 내 눈 속에 비친 arrows eye. I'm feeling lonely. 그 말 끝내고 말해줘요 honey. 다시 crying in my room. 숨기고 싶어. But still I want it more. I give a second chance to Cupid. 날 믿은 내가 정말 stupid. 보여줄게 숨겨왔던 love is it real.
We're going to asa kita te Gigantes. Yes! Meet Jumong. What's that big? O sige mag-go kay mag-video ko.
Ipakita ka pa ng view.
Hi guys! So we are now going to Gigantes. Isla de Gigantes here at Iloilo. So, yeah, we're renting this boat with my sister.
So hi guys, niabot na din sa Gigantes Festival. Ay, Gigantes Festival. Gigantes nga island.
Pili ka muna, oh.
Saan ni siya guys? Nagsuka ni siya guys. Walay video nga nakita ang suka pero nagsuka na siya. Abot na mi din isa. Gigantes Iloilo.
May kasudugan ba? Dahil po ang Lucia.
Okay. Salamat ya.
Diara manggod na, ma. Hoy, mama. Pili na guli yung bag dira, mapili mo na dire.
Jan, say hi to the vlog.
Diara pag-ulit.
Awe na exclusivity. Welcome back to my vlog. So guys, nanaka na pod mid cave. Uy! Buang! There's a lot of stones. There's a lot of stones here in Iloilo.
Take a look. Walang kamag.
Ay, 19 pa si Precious.
Pasubagon kita mo doon.
Wala magmamasa.
Baon pa mo. Unong baday ko.
Wala mo ko gayon, kinsa. Wala na picture pa kang nagkaunta. Gapo na tatoy.
Gulang naman yan.
Naman siguro.
Kakaya.
Buhay tayo. Ting? What's that?
Puasa.
Puasa mo na yun.
Kalas gumapit naman.
Guys, di pa namot tayo. Hi, Kai. Hello. It's not yet our time, so we need to go back to the world. Okay, we are here at Festive Mall or Festive Walk here at Iloilo. So, yeah. Ooh. There are lanterns, a lot of them.
Ang ilang pulis to pulis. Oy, sininas.
Of course he did.
And even if med school felt like an option, even if you did get in, it's expensive, you know. Who's going to ask their family to go into more debt?
Who'll sign now?
I see. Sa Islang Pantropiko.
At Madrid.
May map.
Panigol ko isa ka video.
Haha.
Dagang tamit lang.
American style. Baho ilang pinya. Baho ilang pinya.
Ang TV, layo na.
Sing naitausin wala. Marks lang sa mga show. Wow, very nice. Relax lang. Yeah. We will use their pool right now. Let's go. Mag-shower ka rin. Pag-hi sa akong vlog, ma. Say hi. Hi. Landscape sindi kayo mag-kuan ko.
May trapo sa Nisa.